a big drop. I'm still kind of surprised at myself how much rock I've made. I thought I didn't know that I had that. I didn't know that I had that in. I guess looking to God and strength from above, you're going to get more of your strength from
Contact is known greater listening. Why you listen? And what difference Pastor Phil's teaching is making in your life. Just come to treasuretruthradio.org and again click on contact. If you're just joining us, our message is called God's Pleasure and Your Treasure. Let's get back to it. Here is Pastor Phil.
He knows not just the person of Christ, the purity of Christ. Seeking first his kingdom and his righteousness. And his believing his righteousness. And then we know about that. I'm going to take time. Then the light that was first included, then it's implanted, then it's imparted. What are you talking about? See, what he's saying is this. Living right is more important than living well. Because if you live well, I mean, you live right, it'll help you live well. Life does not consist of the abundance of things that you possess. It's being before doing. It's communion before conduct. You can do without being, but you cannot be without doing. See, every Christian has a calling and altar. It's connected to the previous and certain